Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Tilt. They're looking for a leave success manager. It pays up to $75,000 per year. Tilt is looking for a leave success manager to join our team and provide our customers with unparalleled positive leave experiences. Who are we? Our mission is big: make leave not suck. We are building a product that makes it easy for people to switch between work and life. If you join us, you'll be part of a fearless band of humans helping employers balance empathy with economics. We're changing the status quo, and it's hard. You should know that now. You should also know that joining Tilt means the opportunity to be a change maker. We're thinkers, doers, revolutionaries, dreamers, get shit doneers, and bold enough to tackle a really complex space. We recently raised our series and we're ready to put it to good use to grow our business. Who are you? As a member of the customer success team, you'll be working directly with our customers' employees to provide seamless onboarding and ongoing support as they navigate the leave process. You must have experience in a customer-facing role, preferably in the healthcare or human resources fields. Demonstrating empathy is also a must, so you'll be a great fit if you have a passion for helping people when it matters most. Day to day, you will get your hands dirty by work closely with customer success managers to support our customers' employees who go on leave, managing the entire leave lifecycle for our customers' employees through our proprietary Tilt platform and various support channels. Field and answer all leave-related questions about state and federal regulations, healthcare providers, and insurance carriers. When you're not sure, that's okay. We'll give you the tools and expect you to use your resources to find the answer or redirect the employee to the right place if needed. Communicating directly with regulatory agencies, healthcare and insurance providers, and human resources teams when necessary. Providing unsurpassed troubleshooting support for our customers, employees, and their managers. Advocating for the customer internally by working cross-functionally to make product enhancement recommendations. Identify bugs, etc. Ongoing development of your leave management and compliance knowledge. You're a great fit if you have 2+ years of experience in a customer success or support role within a heavily regulated organization or complex subject matter, like human resources, healthcare, or law. You have a passion for helping people solve their problems and navigate tricky state and federal regulations. You have the ability to research policies and compliance literature and then interpreting and translating that knowledge to a non-policy savvy audience. You have amazing written and verbal communication skills. You are clear, articulate, and empathetic, and you deliver your message with respect, confidence, and compassion. You are naturally self-directed, organized, and resourceful with the ability to multitask, managing and switching priorities as needed. Being fearlessly flexible is a must. You thrive in a collaborative environment, but you're also a self-starter and take a proactive approach to your work. Bonus points if you are familiar with the leave compliance space or HR. You have experience working with a startup or with a B2B size business. Compensation. This position is a full-time role reporting to the VP of Customer Success with an annual salary of $60,000 and up to $75,000 USD plus stock options, because we believe everyone should have some stake in our business. We are people first, so in addition to a robust suite of ancillary benefits, we offer comprehensive medical, dental, and vision benefits for all employees with fully paid premiums. You must be authorized to work in the U.S. Flexibility. We are a fully remote company. We are committed to being fearlessly flexible and ensuring that all employees are set up and have the autonomy to do their best work, as well as have the balance to care for their health, family, and life outside of work. Overall, we trust our team and are focused on outcomes, not outputs. Equal opportunity employer. We celebrate and support our differences. We believe in the power of equality, which is why we are an equal opportunity employer. Employment at Tilt is based solely on a person's merit and qualifications related to their professional competence. Tilt does not discriminate against any employee or applicant because of race, color, creed, religion, sexual orientation, gender identity, expression, national origin, disability, age, genetic information, veteran status, marital status, pregnancy, or any other basis protected by law. We comply with all applicable national, state, and local laws pertaining to non-discrimination and equal opportunity. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.